YouTube, Alex here. Today I'm gonna show you me just cruising around on my ripstick. So, here we go.
Excuse me?
I haven't rode it for a while. Yes. Look at this skillness.
Skillness.
Okay. Now I'll show you
Go.
show you me doing an ollie on my skateboard. And on an ollie, I'm going to show you on the pogo stick. Alright, try a 360. I can't do it. I'll do one more tail whip.
Tail whip?
That was just a few things that I could do. Besides my scooter. So yeah, comment, subscribe, bye.